Thinking of starting your own online business? Whether you're looking to dive into dropshipping, offer high-demand services, or create and sell digital products, the opportunities in the online world are absolutely endless. But here's the thing, success doesn't just happen overnight. There are important things you need to understand and prepare for before you hit that launch button. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 essential tips that every aspiring entrepreneur needs to know. These tips can help you avoid costly mistakes, build a strong foundation, and set your business up for long-term success. So whether you're starting from scratch or just looking for ways to improve your existing online venture, stick around because this advice might just change your approach to building a business. First and most importantly, know your niche and target audience. This step is critical because too many businesses fail by trying to appeal to everyone. But here's the truth, when you try to be everything to everyone, you end up being nothing to anyone. Successful businesses focus on solving specific problems for a well-defined group of people. Take a moment to ask yourself, who are the people that would benefit the most from what I'm offering? What are their pain points, desires, and daily frustrations? What problem does your product or service solve for them? When you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you'll not only be able to craft a product that fits their needs, but your marketing will also be sharper and more impactful. Instead of vague messages that go unnoticed, you'll create content that resonates deeply with your audience because they'll feel like you truly understand them. So how do you actually find your audience? The key is to avoid making assumptions. Don't guess, talk to them. Start by observing where your potential customers spend time online. Are they active on Reddit? Do they participate in Facebook groups? Do they comment on certain YouTube channels? Dive into these spaces and pay attention to what they're talking about, what questions they're asking, and what frustrations they have. You can also use tools like Google Trends to see what topics are rising in popularity or even identify patterns in search behavior. Want even more personalized insights? Create simple customer surveys using tools like Google Forms and send them to people in your network or social media followers. The more you listen, the more you learn, and that knowledge will become one of your biggest competitive advantages. Building a business is about solving real problems for real people, so start with understanding your audience. And remember, people's needs can change over time, so keep gathering insights and evolving along with them. Next, your brand is everything. A strong, clear, and compelling brand isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the foundation of your entire business. A well-defined brand builds trust with your audience, sets you apart from competitors, and makes your business memorable. Without a strong brand, you risk blending into the background and losing potential customers who might not be able to connect with your message. Building your brand isn't just about slapping together a logo or choosing a color palette, it's about creating an identity that resonates deeply with your target audience. Your brand encompasses everything from your logo, website design, and visual elements, to the tone and personality you convey in your messaging. These are the first impressions people get of your business, and we all know that first impressions count. Your brand should reflect the values, personality, and goals of your business. So, ask yourself, what do I want my customers to feel when they interact with my business? Are you aiming for a luxurious, high-end feel? Or are you building a more casual, fun, and approachable vibe? Maybe you're creating a minimalist brand that feels modern and efficient. Each of these identities can be effective, but it's critical to stay consistent. Whether you're quirky, luxurious, or minimalistic, you need to stick to that vibe in all of your communications. From the way you speak on your website, to how you present yourself on social media, every touchpoint should reinforce that brand identity. Consistency makes your business more recognizable and trustworthy, while inconsistency can confuse potential customers and even drive them away. Another key element to consider is the emotions your brand evokes. Do you want to make people feel empowered, excited, or calm? The language, design, and imagery you use can all trigger different emotional responses. If your brand's values align with your audience's desires and emotional needs, you'll create a much deeper, longer-lasting connection. Finally, don't forget that your brand should evolve as your business grows. As you get more feedback from customers and learn from the market, it's okay to adjust your brand's message or visual style. Just make sure the changes align with your core values and resonate with your audience. Your website is your virtual storefront. It's the first impression customers will have of your business, and it can determine whether they make a purchase. In today's world, people expect a seamless, user-friendly experience online. If your website is cluttered, slow, or hard to navigate, customers will leave without hesitation. Even with the best product or service, if your website doesn't make it easy for customers to find what they need or make a purchase, they'll go elsewhere. A common mistake new business owners make is trying to create a complex, feature-packed website from day one. The truth is, simplicity is key. When designing your website, keep it clean, organized, and intuitive. Focus on guiding visitors toward the most important actions, learning about your business, exploring your products, and making a purchase. If you're not a web designer, don't worry. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace are great tools for building professional websites quickly without needing coding knowledge. These platforms offer pre-built templates and integrated e-commerce tools to help you set up payment systems and manage inventory with ease. But don't stop once your website is live. Constantly test it. Navigate your site as a customer would. Are the products easy to find? Is the checkout process simple? Testing and improving your site based on user feedback is crucial. Tools like Google Analytics can help you identify areas where customers are getting stuck. Your goal is to create an experience that makes it easy for customers to take action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter or completing a purchase. Remember, a great website not only looks good, it performs well and meets your customers' needs. Even if your product is amazing, it won't sell itself. No matter how great your idea or product is, you need to put in the effort to get the word out. And that's where marketing comes in. Effective marketing is what turns a fantastic product into a successful business. You need to build awareness and create demand from day one. Without marketing, your product could remain hidden, even if it's exactly what people are looking for. There are many ways to market your business, and it's important to choose the right mix of strategies that will work for you. Start with social media, which is an incredible tool for building an audience and connecting with potential customers. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are fantastic for organic growth, where you can post content that resonates with your audience and gradually build a loyal following. These platforms allow you to engage directly with people, build brand awareness, and showcase your products in a fun, creative way. But don't just rely on organic reach. Paid ads are another powerful tool to get your brand in front of more eyes. Platforms like Google Ads and Meta, Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising options that allow you to reach specific audiences based on their interests, demographics, and behavior. These paid ads can give you that extra push, especially when you're ready to scale and want to accelerate your business growth. Paid ads are particularly effective when you need a quick boost, whether it's to promote a launch, special offer, or a specific product. However, it's important to start small, test different ad types and targeting options, and track results to make sure you're getting a positive return on investment. And let's not forget about SEO, search engine optimization. When people search for products or services related to your niche, you want to make sure your website shows up at the top of search results. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords, creating valuable content, and building backlinks, you can improve your rankings on Google and drive more organic traffic to your site. Finally, consider email campaigns to build relationships with your audience over time. Collecting email addresses through signups on your website or social media platforms allows you to send personalized messages, updates, and promotions directly to interested customers. With a well-crafted email strategy, you can nurture relationships and turn first-time visitors into repeat customers. Ultimately, marketing is about getting your business noticed and driving traffic to your site, but it also helps you build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back. Whether you're using social media, paid ads, or email campaigns, make sure you have a clear marketing strategy and start implementing it as soon as possible. The only constant in online business? Change. If there's one thing you can count on, it's that things will always evolve. Trends shift, algorithms update, and customer preferences change over time. What worked yesterday might not work today, and what's popular today might not be relevant tomorrow. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't the ones who have the best ideas, they're the ones who adapt the quickest and most effectively. You have to be willing to embrace change and be flexible in how you approach your business. This means staying on top of new developments in technology, marketing, and consumer behavior. For example, adopting new tools like AI can streamline your processes, help you make smarter decisions, and even improve your customer interactions. It also means continuously improving your customer service to meet the ever-changing expectations of your audience. And sometimes, you may need to pivot your product line or adjust your business model based on feedback or market shifts. Whether it's refining your offering, shifting your marketing focus, or exploring new platforms, being flexible and open to change is essential to long-term success. The ability to evolve with the times is what separates the businesses that thrive from those that fall behind. So, always be ready to adapt, learn, and grow with the market. Those are the 5 things you need to know before starting your online business. Whether it's choosing the right niche, building your brand, or mastering marketing, these tips are key to your success. Which tip stood out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more business tips. Best of luck with your online business, and I'll see you in the next video.